What's up, guys? And I am with the Lut. Where are you at, Lut? There's Lut. We are on our way to pick up one of the most essential things that we will need when we move down to the province, Siargao Island. The 50,000 peso bet is still on. However, I haven't gotten any takers yet. But we're going over to SM Mall to get one of the most essential things that I'm going to need when we move down to the province. So we're going to take our little walk. Morning! So yeah, we're going to walk down to the SM Mall. It's a nice little walk, guys. If you can walk when you're visiting here in Angeles City, just walk. You know, you can spend that 100 pesos if you want, but you think about it, you're going to the mall to walk anyway, so. But you can see right where we're at here, Fields Avenue. That place, that's closed. You wonder if this, I haven't heard anything, but you wonder if that's out of business, because you know, the businesses do come and go. But that's usually open. I'm good, my man. You know, I'm good. Morning.
See your YouTube.
Oh, thank you. Businesses come and go, and usually that's open in the morning. What's the purpose of that? That's a drainage system,
Yeah,
right? But it's so full, nothing drains, only from that little pipe, just in that little crack right there. Yeah. What's the rate today? Right here at Niagara, or Natalia, is 50 pesos straight. Wondering how this was going to hold up here. This part of the road here, there's a big hole here at one point, right where that concrete is. So what they did is they dug it up, and they threw concrete on top of asphalt. So you wonder how long, you can see it's already starting to break up. You wonder how long that's going to last.
Like 5 years.
I give it a year. This guy's trying to squeeze in here.
2 years.
All right. You got it, buddy. Good job. You got it. Oop. Yeah, that almost splashed up on me. Watch out. This guy's slinging water. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. All right, thank you. But pay attention, they'll sling that water right on you. Yeah, they renovated that.
They're renovating.
Yeah. And they're hiring, now hiring. What happened here? This was the Western Union. That shut down. There used to be an internet cafe back there too. Now it's saying third floor. I don't know. All right, we could jump across the street here. I'll show you where. I'm good, my friend. I'll show you right here. We can jump across the road, go to the other side. I'll show you a little cut through to the mall. Both ways. All right. It's not hard. From the exit entrance of Walking Street down here by Envy's, Phillies, maybe 5 minutes to walk up here. If you're walking fast, if you're walking slow, 10 minutes, right? But it's not hard to get to. Good morning. Right up here to the right is the trike line and the jeepney terminal. Like I said, it all depends on your walking speed. Here's your trike terminal on your right. jeepney terminal, you shoot right through this little parking lot right here. Don't need to be scared. You don't need to be scared. Nobody's gonna bother you. Nobody's gonna come after you. Even at night, this is a lot of traffic through here because a lot of people hopping on and off the jeepneys. And right there's SM Mall. Right straight ahead of it. Look at all them flies. Man. Look at this. They have this shut off right here. Why do they do that? Oh, here's your, you gotta walk through this little entranceway here. But it's very simple to get to, right? Not hard. And like I said, you're going to the mall to walk anyway, so what's the big deal if you walk? Morning.
Good night.
All right.
Wait from the middle of Batangas, sir.
I'm good, my friend. I'm good, my friend. I'm good, my friend. I'm good. It is nice. I'm good.
Very nice, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, sir. And then just boom, walk across, go to the mall. So like I said, we are going to the mall. I got to pick up one of the most essential parts and the things that we're going to need when we move to the province. So I'll show you when we get home. I'll show you what I bought. All right, guys, so what was so important at the mall that I had to get? What was the most, or one of the most essential things that you would need, especially me, I would need if I moved to the province? As I said it before, and I'll say it again. I moved to the province. I don't need big malls. I don't need fancy stores. I don't need fancy restaurants. I can live without it. Is it nice to have? Sure, but I don't really need it. There were two things I said that I would always need if I ever moved to the province, and which we're getting ready to move to the province this year for all you doubters. Just stay tuned. Two things. One, air conditioning. I always said, just give me some air conditioning. I know you're gonna need electric to run air conditioning. Okay, I could buy a generator too. But the second thing I said was very, very important, not only for me, but for other people that are out in the province. You know, you're out in the province, you're away from civilization. You're away from being in touch with things, being out of touch with people, with family, with friends. Guys, this is it. This is what I require. You guys ready? What did I go to the mall for? Here it is, guys. Let me see if I can get this on. You ready? I don't know. Can you guys see it? I'm hiding myself. Can you see it? I don't know if you guys could see that. Let me see. Let me jump up. There. There. Hopefully it's... There you go. There it is, guys. Starlink. Starlink. I always said, I need internet. I'm a vlogger. I need internet, you know. Not only that, but I don't... Like, I use Fire Stick here. I don't even... We haven't subscribed to the local TV channels in this area for years. I use Fire Stick. It runs off of internet. Gotta have it. I spoke to quite a few people, and I've done some research on people that were out in the province. Do they have internet? Sure, they have internet, but half the time it's just crappy. You know, if you're fine with crappy internet, what do I mean by crappy internet? If you're fine with just getting on your phone, oh, I'm on Facebook, I can see what's going on. That's great. Crappy internet, you know. Me, I upload. I need quality internet. You know, a lot of times when you travel and go to different places, I've found this out, and other people have found this out. You call them up, hey, do you have internet? Yep, we got internet. Are you sure? Is it good? Yup, it's good. But when you get there, you know what it is? It's enough internet. Here comes my new friend. My new friend. You might hear my new friend. When you get there, hi, my friend. How you doing, buddy? He's interrupting the vlog. Shh. 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 I have no food for you. I already fed him. When you get there, oh, it's enough internet for you to get on Facebook. But when it's time to upload a video, I don't know if she'll let me pick him up or not. Hey, come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. This is my new friend. My new friend. Oh, oh, look out, look out. You feed them once and they come around, right? Yeah, enough to get on Facebook. What about uploading? Oh, hang on a second, guys. Guys, remember, if you feed a cat or any stray animal, they will become your friend. But yeah, what was I getting to? Yeah, you know, you get out in these places and the internet is just terrible when it comes to working online. I talked to a couple people that they're travelers. They travel, they're digital nomads. They're not YouTubers, but they require internet. And there's so many times they've booked a place that they were told they have internet, and the internet's just crap. They up and leave. They up and leave. But with this Starlink, you guys, this is nothing new. You know, they've had Starlink now for what, going on a year? Going on a year here in the Philippines. And like I said, people I've talked to that got it, they love it. I was also told if you have like fiber optic, like right now we have fiber optic here, I'd keep it. I wouldn't spend the money to get Starlink because fiber optic here in Angeles City is decent. Same way within the city, you know, like your bigger cities, Manila, Cebu and all that. If you've got fiber optic, I was told, don't even bother. But if you're out in the middle of nowhere, like I'm gonna be out in the middle of nowhere, Starlink is the way to go. I'm doing research right now. Maybe somebody can let me know. First of all, before I get into that part of it, guys, 28,000 pesos is what they charge. 28,000 pesos. I'll put the conversion down below. They can't charge you more. I wish they'd charge you less, but they can't charge you any more. They sell Starlink online. Could I have ordered it online, had it shipped to me, delivered to me? Yes, I could have. However, it's 28,000. Plus, if you ship online, it's 28,000 plus, I think 1,000 and some in shipping. So you're buying it straight here in the Philippines. Who got it? Silicon Valley. That's where I bought it. Silicon Valley. I was told, correct me if I'm wrong, I was told Silicon Valley is the only one that can actually sell you Starlink. Legitimately sell you Starlink. They have a contract to sell Starlink. All right, there goes the neighbor. So if you find it somewhere else, I don't know. Is it legit? I don't know. I'm just telling you what I was told. But yeah, 28,000. Now I forgot what I was gonna say prior to that. That's how my brain works. My brain focuses on something and then it forgets something else. And then I talk about what it focused on and then I forget about what I wanted to talk about. Oh, you guys let me know. I'm doing research. I'm trying to find out if I get the Starlink home-based here. In other words, where I live. And then when we move, can I relocate my home base to where I live? I'm trying to find out all this information. You know, I'm sure it's in all the fine print. If you want to go through all the fine print of Starlink and its contracts and everything like that, I'm sure you could find it in there. But I want to know if I move from here to the province, do I just switch addresses? How's it all going to work? Leave comments below. Let me know. Put your input in if you have it. The Starlink, if you know. But anyways, guys, that's what it is. The essentials. This is something I need in the province. Can't live, can't survive. Well, I could live, I could survive, but I'd be out of touch with you guys. So, and here comes the guy on the bike with the bell. All kinds of great noises in the Philippines. So, all right, guys, we shall talk to you later.